Hi everyone, welcome back. In this storybook tutorial for beginner, I will show you how I create storybook with AI that made me over $600 the last month. And I use the best AI software. It's called Magic Books AI. You don't need content writer, you don't need designer. Click on login and you'll find the link in the description. And here the dashboard inside Magic Books AI. Click on create ebook. Here, click on the button here, click ebook. Here are the four options, but we choose AI ebook. Click on AI ebook. Here we choose any template you like it, or we'll create our templates. Click here and write your description about what about this ebook you want to create. You can use ChatGPT for that. Choose the style writing, the size, choose here the storytelling, click generate. Here the story chapter generated by AI and the title you can edit in any chapter here. Click generate. Here you can edit all the chapter and the title and anything you want, like this the first chapter about my ebook. Now we click on generate. You can upload the page's background. You can choose the template or upload your own. Here the avatar. Here we can upload your image or generated by AI. Here the story. You can here added the story with image. You can add it to the YouTube video. Click generate. Here our ebook is ready. Click here we can generate the cover. You can upload your cover or choose it on the Magic Books template inside this Magic Books AI. Click generate. Here upload the cover and here the title. Here write the description. Here our ebook it's look like. We can choose the background inside anyone or read the storybook. Here we can add a voiceover with AI to create audiobooks. Now we click generate. It's done. Here you can copy the link and share it on social media to promote in your ebook, or you can download it and sell it on Amazon, Etsy, or on your website. Here your ebook is my ebook looks like. It's very clean storybook for specific for kids with video and image. It's not the boring PDF. You can with Magic Books AI you can create other ebook in any niche you want, like this fashion books or this business guide, this the home decor book, and this is the about travel. You can create any ebook in any topic. If you want to try Magic Books AI, you find the link in the description and see you the next one.